Hey, boys and girls. All right. So today we are starting Unit 6, Struggles for Survival, Phonics and Word Study. All right. It looks like this. We're going to start week 1 today, lesson 1. Okay. What you need to succeed is your word study. So again, find it, dust it off. You need your reading notebook, a pencil, and a highlighter. So if you need to pause here, go ahead and do that to grab those items, and then we'll get started. All right, our learning goals today are I can read and spell words with variant vowel ah. So all, ulk, all, ow, ah. So spelling sound correspondences. We've got each word here contains a variant vowel ah. Okay. So launch, straw, almost, ball, walk. When I see the variant vowel spelling in a longer word, the spelling must stay in the syllable. It is a vowel team syllable. Okay? When the letter A is followed by L, LL, or LK, the letter A stands for the sound. So these spelling patterns, all, ulk, are found in many common words. So we've got like walk, ball, almost. Those are some of those types of words. All right. So here's what you need to write down in your writing notebook. Go ahead and make this chart. We're going to talk about spelling sound correspondences. I'm going to read through each word. After I do so, you can go ahead and pause the video and fill in your chart. Okay? So your first column has AU, your second AW, your third AL, your fourth ALL, and your fifth ALK. First word here, we've got sauce, also, talking, author, salty. Jawbone, smallest, football, awful, because. Go ahead and pause and write in those words in their correct column. All right, if you turn to page 2 in my word study, page 2, we're going to corally read all the words, top half or bottom half. I will read all of them. That way, in case you're not sure how to pronounce them. And then after I'm all done, you can pause, underline the variant vowel O or ah spelling in each word. Okay? And then throughout the week, we're going to partner or teacher time. We'll time your reading. Okay? So we'll do what we kind of did before. We'll do breakout rooms and we'll work with each other. We'll read them and your partner will time you. All right, are we ready? And I'm going to read across, left to right. Okay? Saw, jaws, straw, claw, raw, fault, cause, pause, launch, vault, salt, halt, draw, brawl, crawl, ball, call, small, falls, maul, walk, talks, stock, chalk, lawn, gnaw, hawk, wall, sprawl, thaw, draws, jaw, cause, salt, walk, crawls, straws, paws, small, chalk, stock, claw, launch, falls, gnaw, lawn, raw, vault, maul, hawk. Bottom half. Seesaw, awesome, somersault, outlaw, jigsaw. August, because, author, causing, launched. Also, almost, always, withdraw, yawning. Baseball, installment, rainfall, recalled, waterfall. Beanstalk, taught, distraught, haunted, applaud. Audience, dinosaur, daughter, autumn, laundry. Lawyer, sausage, awful, strawberry, lawnmower. Because, August, awesome, retaught, recalled. Almost, installment, somersault, authors, dinosaurs. Haunted, audiences, causing, laundry, autumn. All right, boys and girls, that's what I have for you today.